Very cold start today. Sunshine has melted the snow, and at least it looks like we're headed in the right direction. But we had record cold today. The high temp was 35. That's the coldest high temp we've ever had on April 15th. And tonight, despite the good-looking sky cam here in Jenison also, we have record-tying cold on the way. The record low for tonight is 21, and that's what we're forecasting. Some highlights of this upcoming 8 days. We've got the chilly weather here today. We've got the chilly weather that continues tonight, but no major rain on the way, and that's excellent news, especially for those of us in the flood zone north of I-96 across Newaygo. Newaygo and Muskegon County, and then the farther north you go into northern Michigan, Osceola, Wexford County, some historic flooding taking place north of US 10. We have some warmer weather on the way, especially once we get toward the tail end of the 8-day forecast early next week. On Storm Track Live, we're kind of sandwiched between very light snow showers, but these are daytime pop-up type showers, and these are going to dissipate. We're not expecting any snow or any precip of any type, for that matter, coming up later tonight. Skies stay mostly clear, and that's going to be one of the biggest factors for allowing those temperatures to drop off rapidly as we settle in toward record-tying, if not record-breaking cold tomorrow morning. Mostly clear to start the day, and then as we head through Wednesday, temperatures increase and clouds increase as well. But it's going to be nicer tomorrow than it was today. It was just too cold to manage for mid-April, in my opinion. 32 in Grand Rapids right now, 33 here in Kalamazoo. We have some 20s on the map even. Ludington, 27 right now at the lakeshore. Breezes off Lake Michigan, so that makes sense. A lot of ice, or at least a lot of cold water, depending on what part of Lake Michigan you're on. 15-mile-per-hour sustained wind in Grand Rapids. We're up to 17 for Battle Creek and Kalamazoo, so the wind chill, low 20s, and barely hanging on at that right now. We're at 21 for a wind chill in Battle Creek, 21 also here in Coldwater and Sturgis, and along the lakeshore, wind chills are in the 20s as well. Our 8-day forecast calls for plenty of sunshine to start the day tomorrow, 51. Clouds slowly increase through the day. Look for a high of 58 coming up on Thursday. By the time we get into the weekend, we'll see some sunshine on Saturday, especially a little bit cool, low 50s. But mid-50s for Easter Sunday. Some rain is possible Sunday. Better chance of rain coming up Monday, but that's the light at the end of the tunnel, the proverbial light at the end of the tunnel, with mid-60s by next Wednesday. Doesn't it seem like this season, the nice day has always been on day 8.
Right.
It usually arrives, but it's just testing our patience.
We've been working for him.
I think the Easter Bunny, too, was hoping that he could squeak in some good weather there, you know?
Well, at least he's not going to have to navigate through a foot of snow.
There you go. That's much better. Much better. Thanks, Kyle.
Thanks.